What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking is Amazing. Today is a real special day for me. I'm really excited. We're cooking deer meat. I was able to go to a farmer's market. I found deer meat. I had to have it. I've been craving it. I'm not hunting over here in Germany like I did back in Georgia and back in the States, so I've been kind of missing out on it. But to be able to find some and to bring it to you today, some of the recipes that I've had before, it's going to be awesome. Stick around and watch this. just don't know what to say. That was delicious. The steak was cooked perfect. The deer bombs, as I call them, that wrapped in the bacon, they were amazing. The blue potato mashed potatoes were awesome. That recipe's not in this video, but it was amazing. The broccoli on the grill, it's just a simple fix. It's easy. It all tasted amazing. It was all delicious. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel so you can get all the upcoming videos that we're putting out. And as always, from my family to yours, thank you and God bless.